Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right now I am actually headed to the mall. I'm leaving town tomorrow, and where I'm going it's very cold, so I'm gonna need some cold clothing. So hopefully I could find something. Hopefully it's not too busy. Also, it's also Thursday, so I don't think it will be that busy, but we will find out. So I'm headed to the mall. Don't know exactly what I have. I kind of have a vision, but that never works out. So let's just hope for the best, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Just wanted to update you guys and start this vlog. Okay, so we made it to the mall. It doesn't look that busy yet. Parked next to a Jeep. Yay, Jeeps. So I'm vlogging on my iPhone, the iPhone 11. So let me know what y'all think of the quality. Like, let me know if it's good. But yeah, let's go shopping. Fine. This is like the last day that I have because tomorrow I go to work, and then after that, then my flight leaves like right after work. So this is all the time that I have to find something. So God be with me. Let me find a cute fit. I am obviously back in the car. I didn't really vlog in there because I only have an hour to like get everything, and it's kind of rushed, so I literally didn't even try anything on. I mean, they're just sweaters. If it was pants, then that would have been a different story. But yeah, so I just got sweaters and some pair of sweats. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Okay, so you can't really see me, but before I go home, I had to stop for some boba. It's been a while since I got this place called Kung Fu Tea. If you have one in your neck of the woods, sounds like such, oh my god, why am I saying that? Around your area, definitely go here. I decided to go to this one because I was already close to the mall, so I'm like, why not? But now we are heading home, and I will see you guys when I get there. Okay, you guys, so I am now home. I am filming on my camera, so it's probably a little better quality. Okay, 9:15. You guys can't see it, but trust me, it's 9:15, and I was just about to start packing. Decided that I'm gonna do like a pack with me talk. This is gonna be like part one of my trip. You guys gonna stay there? Perfect. Don't move. Okay, so the first thing that I got was, oh, okay. There we go. That I went to was H&M. I didn't try any of this on, so let's hope it looks good. Gray and white crew neck, is that what they're called? Crew neck. I don't own any like color like this, so it's just a brown, like another crew neck. This with some black jeans, like black ripped skinny jeans, because hopefully that's gonna look good. Next place I went was PacSun. I needed, because I don't really own that many black sweats, and I figure I want to be comfortable on the airplane. Was the last thing was this, like I'm really into this color lately. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It's like a army green, midnight green, whatever you want to call that. Body little bag that I'm gonna wear to the airport because I want like a little bag to carry my stuff in. Super cute. So those are the only two things that I got from PacSun, and I got these from Vans. This color, I'm actually wearing one right now. Like I said, I'm really into this color lately, which is like the midnight green color, and I just got these ones in the black and midnight green. So let's get to packing. This is the suitcase I have. I'm not going for that long, so I'm just taking this carry-on. What the inside looks like, it has this side, that side. Yeah. So when I pack, I like to try on the outfit. Time when I went to Vegas at the beginning of this year, I just was like, you know what, let's just pack. Hopefully it looks good. Went to Vegas, did not look as good as I was in my head, so I'm like, I need to try them on before I'm gonna go look at it in the mirror. Ooh. Okay, it's still cute. Okay. This with me. So this is gonna be like my everyday jacket, so I gotta make sure it looks good with every outfit. It's a yes. Okay, outfit number 2. With this wheel. I'm about to finish up with outfit number 2. I'm out of breath because I'm moving so much. That's cute, right? With like a necklace, maybe? Ooh. With love. Okay, perfect. We found outfit number 2. I'm gonna try on some jewelry, but I'm gonna do that off camera because that is probably boring for you guys. Okay, and this is outfit number 3. This is probably my returning outfit because it's so comfy. So I have this beanie, don't know if I'll need it, but then I have this button up, and yeah, and I'm wearing it with black jeans. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I have that outfit that I showed you guys, the first outfit, and then I have this. I also attached like an extra shirt just in case I'm not really feeling this one. I'm going for like a weekend. I'm leaving Friday, coming back Monday night, just because I wasn't able to take off work much longer, so that's why I don't have that many clothes packed. And then I have the shoes over there that I'm taking, and then those are what I'm wearing when I leave. I think that's everything. I don't think I'm missing anything, which is good. Okay, so excuse the mess. Like I said, I have like shopping bags everywhere that I have to get rid of. Sweating. I'm gonna take a break. So I think I'm pretty much done. I'm like second guessing, but it's not like I could pack my like retainer, my toothbrush, my charger quite yet, since I am gonna use those tonight. And but I was like, I just keep looking around like, what am I missing? I have the outfits, I have the shoes, I have like my jewelry, my bathroom bag. I think that's it. Let me guys show you an overview of like what I have. Okay guys, so I just finished up packing. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So I put all my clothes basically on this side, and like I showed you, my like tissue, charger, and I have my shoes on this side. Put it all in. Now let's see if it shuts. And it shut. Okay guys, so that completes my packing with me, getting ready for my trip. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys on my trip in my next video. Bye guys.